This is for the entrepreneur couples. If you want that loving, happy, connected, deep relationship with your spouse, this is one thing that might be keeping you from achieving that. I see a lot of people do this all the time to their spouse. Maybe it's just because they're uncomfortable, or maybe it's because other people have done that to them in their past, but they put their spouse down, especially in front of other people. You should never, ever tear down your spouse. That will cause resentment from inside, and they will stop doing things for you that you like. They'll stop showing up and supporting you in ways that you like, and this never leads to anywhere good. Especially when you do it in front of other people, when you tear down your wife or when you emasculate your husband in front of other people to like make yourself look better, for like your ego to like look cooler or look better or to be funny in front of other people. It only makes you look weak, and that your relationship looks weak, and it makes your man look less than, and it makes your woman look less than also. Always hold your spouse to the highest pedestal in your life, no matter what. Even if you're out with friends and you know that they're wrong about something, you still stand for them and you still support them and have their back, even if they're wrong. You never make your spouse look wrong. Stop doing this toxic bullshit in your relationship.